And the state is encouraging schools to take classes outside to protect students from the virus, but how is this impacting the environment? We're going to take a look. Consequence to all that outdoor learning.
Well, Liz,
litter.
A teacher and his students in East Providence saw what was happening and they turned it into a learning opportunity. Here's Tim Studebaker.
Like many schools, the Gordon School in East Providence has been holding classes outdoors as a COVID precaution.
We have designated outdoor classrooms, snack and recess outside, essentially all throughout the day.
But all that time outside has opened their eyes to a new problem.
Students were seeing, and myself were also reporting just a lot more trash around campus.
Cushman Gillen and his 5th and 6th grade science students saw an opportunity, not just to clean up the trash, but to learn from the experience.
How long does it take plastic to decompose in our environment? So what happens if we don't pick up this trash around campus? How long is it going to stay there?
The students track their cleanup efforts using an app called Litterati. It helps them record what types of trash they found, where and when they found it, and even lets them take a picture of the trash before they clean it up.
Personally, picking up different assorted pieces of trash isn't the most fun thing to do, but when you remember what it's doing, then it makes you more enthusiastic.
By keeping track, they can pinpoint problem areas on campus where a new trash can might be needed, or suggest parents use less plastic when they pack a lunch. It's a lesson the students can take with them at the end of the day to inspire others to clean up their act as well.
You may think that if you pick up like 1 or 2 pieces of trash, you're like, I'm not making any difference, but that's not true.
So far, they've picked up 2,600 pieces of trash. Their goal is 10,000 by the end of the year. In East Providence, Tim Studebaker, ABC6 News.